don't know what you've been told, but this gal right here's gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I will be teaching you guys how you can copy your Instagram link, and please follow me on Instagram. So let's get started on the video. So first you need to go on the Chrome, and then after that you need to type a www.instagram.com slash. After the slash you need to put your name after the slash. My name is Nestle and Sebastian Feel I'm Live. So after that you need to click and there you go. So after this you need to click on the upper there and copy. So yeah, so if you guys haven't followed me yet on the Instagram, please follow me on Instagram, and don't ever forget to give a big thumbs up on this video, and I hope this video help you, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.